supposed to go off little. Oh, there you go.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. The National Weather Service in Brownsville conducts tests of these receivers every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning variation